Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Wouldn't you agree that one of the quickest ways to ruin a camping trip is by not getting good sleep? My husband and I love to tent camp, so we love to drive up to a campground and unpack our stuff into a tent so that we can have some of the comforts that we have at home. One of the things that has been so helpful is having a comfortable mattress from Gaialoop. Some things about this mattress that I really like is how comfortable it is. I would describe it as being a little bit on the firmer side, but still having enough give to it so that it doesn't give me pain in my hips or spine when I'm sleeping. Even though we're not hiking with this mattress, I still like that it's light enough for me to carry around easily in its pack on my back. I love that the design has the straps attached to the cover itself. It's so easy just to lose things like straps when you need to go ahead and roll it back up again to get it back in its bag. I found that using my knees when I'm rolling it up helps to keep it in place and that I don't have to struggle as much to get it back into the bag. It's also going to work really well in our house because we have a pull-out bed from our couch and it has a pretty big crack in the middle between the cushions, and so this is going to be really perfect for putting on the bed, giving them a little bit extra padding and making sure they're not falling into the crack. Now I got a cot size mattress from Gaialoop, which is 72 inches long by 24 inches wide. I'm 5'4" and this more than accommodated how long I am, and I never sleep just stretched completely out. I'm always on my side, kind of scrunched up into a little bit of a ball. So this was really perfect. The mattress has so many different uses. I really love having it, and that's my point of view.